Hello. Good evening. It's this. It was more of this. Yeah. We have how many days? Wait a second. How many days we have left? 3 days. 2 days and a half. Really, it's just 3 days. Today, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wait, when does it due? 31st at 9 a.m. Yep. 3 days. 3 nights. So, sweating. I'm sweating. So I'll show you what I've got right now. I basically did this all day yesterday. That was just my day. I spent like 7.5 hours on it. I've already spent like 2.5 hours today on it. Gonna need a freaking break after this. Alright, so one thing I did, it's gonna take longer for the game to launch because I had a power outage for a bit today and it turned off my computer, and when I rebooted it, GameMaker has decided that, well, it's not GameMaker, Windows has decided that GameMaker now launches slow. Something with the, like, I checked the firewall, it's all approved, it's all good. Like, what am I gonna do, turn my firewall off? Like, so, yeah, it's gonna take a bit. Okay, so one thing I did was I added a title screen. There's nothing here yet except for a play button, but I've added that so we can add things. And then now we've got transitions and fancy animations. I also, other than the art here, I filled in the modifier. It's not what they do, but just like they're there. I made this little guide. I was originally going to have this be auto-generated based off of what was in play, but you know what? This is less work. So you can select things, right? You can discard. And there's this weird bug where sometimes it doesn't go into place. I don't know why. I'll have to figure that out. It's like putting it at the end instead. Anyways, right, you can see it's just like pushing it more and more off for some reason. So you can play some cards. They'll do a battle thing. They tear. The winner gets updated here. And you repeat. That's pretty much it. Just before the stream, I was wondering why. So what was happening was that the player hand was always winning. Right, so I would have like, I would put this up, right, and fist is weak to dagger, but it would win against it. And I looked it up, and I had put a to-do where where it determined the math for this. So yeah, now it's right. And all of the card art here is being auto-generated. Same with the tear, that's all generated. So this is what we got. There's a few things we have to do, and what we're going to start with is the modifier stuff, because that's kind of a big part of the game. So let me just lift off what we have. We have to do the modifier design. So over here, right? We need to do the title screen, do the end screen. Okay. There's some other things I want to do. For example, let me move this up. We have to finish the game design document, and by that I mean actually make it look nice. I started to work on it a little bit, but it's not. I wrote like 1 page. I need to like explain the theme interpretation, the mechanics, and then like the art, right? Like I have that to do. But yeah, we have to do that. We have to pick a name for this game. God forbid I know how to do that. Naming's not my strong suit. And then like we have to do music. There's no music. There's no sound effects. There's nothing, right? I was gonna make something. I don't know if I'll be able to. So we'll see. We'll see how far we can get through it. I think I'm gonna scrap the tutorial that I wanted to put in, the interactive tutorial. There's not enough time. I want to show like an animate points when you count. That might be doable. I wanted to let you rearrange the cards, like the order of the cards, but I don't think I'll get that done in time. Because just clicking and dragging the cards and like kind of keeping them to like a position and like the sorting and stuff, it's a bit like I know how to do it. It's just like it's very finicky. Because then I have to resort how these things work, and yeah, so that's kind of out of scope. And then like these boxes over here, they don't have any shadow like these ones do. I was gonna add it, same for the buttons, but I don't think I have time, so they're probably just gonna remain flat. And then yeah, some fancy animations to start the match and start the round. We'll see. That's pretty much it. We'll see. So we're gonna work on art. At least the modifier cards. Let me. Where did OBS go? Ah, there it is. Let me see. No, of course it won't minimize. There we go. So this is what I did last night. I was just like, 9 tile box. What does Belultro do? I was like, okay, so the points in the middle, and then they have like the modifier description. Okay, and then I put this here, and then we're good. So this is the UI. I made this. I think I'm gonna put the players cards backs to be blue because it's pretty trivial. But yeah, these are the cards we're gonna work on. So let me explain. So the modifiers, I had a bunch of ideas for them. We don't have much time. So in the interest of getting things done, I'm only going to do 5. And one of them is default. There's a lot of, you know, depth and stuff we can add with all the different modifiers, but yeah, so these are my sketches. The 5 modifiers we're going to have is default, which is this guy. We're going to have seeing the first card, which is I'm going to have a seeing eye image here. Then no discard. So that's this guy. And then you only count cards for the score. So 1, 2, 3. And then reverse, which is the lowest will win, instead of the highest score. So those were the easiest. Like, this one is probably the most difficult card to implement, but it's not that difficult. So we're going to implement all of them tonight. We're going to do the art for them. And then it's I don't have a name for this yet. Oh, help me name my game. I should write that down. I'm gonna pin that. Help me name my game. Help me name my game. I'm gonna pin that. So yeah, that's where we're at. That's where we're going. We can just get started, I guess. Okay, so because the cards have like this gold thing, but like the inside of the card is like a color, I think I'm gonna do for these. We'll do the blank card because that's kind of the easiest. Actually, I should probably keep this. Okay. Oop. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is actually like a circle, right? I should okay. So yeah, this is actually a circle. And same thing up here. Which doesn't look great. It actually comes up higher for like oop. All right, so we're gonna make use of this this black color. So what I'm thinking is, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Hello. Card captor Sakura. No, I'll get bonked for that. How are you doing? Alright. We're gonna, I think we're gonna do like reverse card look. Hello, hello. How are you guys doing? This needs to be a brighter color. You were just about to do the sleep in? Really? Wow. Is it that late already? I see. Well, thank you for popping in for the time that you're here for. Alright, so I'm thinking like maybe I should use this that I did over here. Oh, turn that off. It was like that. Like that. I came in there with one of those. But you can't not stop by. You have a cat who snuggles and makes your left arm warm. Does it make it numb as well? Like this could be an option too. The problem is that it's like a hard solid surface versus like go get arm ants. I wonder if I should. I want to avoid the dither. She'll always sleep in the same spot. Aw. My cat used to sleep on me. This was years ago. And it was very uncomfortable because like I would like roll onto my side, right? And I'd be trying to fall asleep. And then she would sit on my like hip area, like that section of my torso. And or on my shoulder and like breathe down looking at me. I'd be trying to sleep and I couldn't move because of her. And so I would like try to like wiggle back and forth so she would like get off, but then she stayed on like it was a fun like ride. And then I ended up giving her a designated pillow on my bed. Hi, Shrimpy. She'll eventually get up in the middle of the night, but since she can't get back into the blankets, she'll sleep between your legs on top of the blankets. Ah, I see. Alright. Where's the best way to... She says you shall not leave. God forbid if you have to use the washroom. And we could try just quickly. What is a... This one? Whoop. I'm not really a big fan of that. Although this isn't good either, but the cat used to sit on your pillow and watch you sleep. That was when she was teeny tiny. Ah, that's fair. I wonder if we could like, actually wait. Make this a little bit brighter. I think that helps a bit. I think it's just a problem with... many lines? Maybe that's fine. Maybe we'll get back to that. Alright, so what I want to do is... what does a seeing eye look like? That's such a weird image. All right. An eye that sees. Yep. It sure is. Okay. And there's like a oh, the card's gonna blink? No. Maybe that has to be bigger. Because even if I do like the... or actually maybe not. Might be fine. Let me give it like this, sort of look. Definitely looks a bit, it looks a lot better with something in the center. Maybe I'll change that. Maybe I'll change the blank card. All right. Oh, that's even the wrong color. Wait. Uh-oh. The darker shade looks nicer, but then you can't see the pop. Might be fine. Okay. We're gonna do a big X in the center. Yeah. I'm running out of time. I gotta be strategic on this. Oops. It's an X. It is. All right. What else can we do through the X? Coming up to the deadline for the jam. So the jam deadline is Friday morning for me. So Thursday is my last day. Last night. Tomorrow night, I may have to cancel the stream because it's my dad's birthday on Wednesday. So I have to make him a Japanese cheesecake, and the recipe is like 12 hours long. So I may not be able to stream, like I may be able to work on stuff, but just like those 40 minutes when I'm like waiting for the cake to cool or whatever, I'm like working, and then like I have to go do cake stuff. Yeah, I'll post a picture in the Discord when I'm done. But yeah, my dad's birthday is the kerfuffle. Their card. Kershuffle. Kershuffle's pretty good. Kershuffle. Wait, let me write that down. Alright. Alright. So wait, I'm gonna just copy your whole message. That way. That's a pretty good name. Okay. Live stream making it? No, because it's here, I'll get the recipe for you. It's one of those ooh, recipe. Just one. I'm using just one cookbook. So it's a souffle cheesecake. One of the issues with it is like you have to be very careful with like the baking, the temperature, the water and everything. And like this is like a chill for 4 to 6 hours or overnight, right? Which isn't an issue for me, but like it says like cool for 1 to 2 hours for room temperature. I have a dog that steals things off my counters. I have to make sure he won't steal things off my counter. Or that they don't try to mess with the oven, or, you know, but like everything's very like time and heat and sensitive, so it's like not really the best thing to stream versus the jam I made a few months ago. All right, let's see. We got an X. How can I make this look fancier? I suppose I could like it's not centered. I just realized this may not be centered. 1? How tall is this? 6? Oh, it's 2 off? Second. Seven. So, okay, now it's centered. Where's the cheesecake? Points at dog. That was actually what happened once when I was in university. Was I came home at midnight, okay, because that's just that's just how it was. And my dad had saved like a personal pizza for me to make, for him to make when I came home. And keep in mind that at this time also, like, we were waking up at like 6 in the morning, right? Because he had to go to work and stuff. So he like put that in for me while I was like dying. Oh, oops. Yeah, that's right. This is off now. And let's see. Yeah. I could do like move that down. He was a puppy at the time ish, and he my dad basically pulled it out of the oven and had it waiting for me, and while I was coming down to get it, he pulled it off the counter and ate it, and I just stood there at midnight watching the dog eat my pizza, and I hadn't eaten since like 5 p.m. And I was just like, all right. All right. Well, like, what are you supposed to, like, obviously, like, my dad was getting him off the pizza because he's not supposed to eat cheese and stuff like that. But, man, he really loved pizza. So, I can make this be, like, a bigger, maybe. But yeah, it was a gamer feel. There, the X looks fancier. Do you like the fancier X? I don't know about it. I feel like it's too much. Let me cover these up. I'm not sure. Well, okay, fine. It goes back to just being an X. Alright, this was gonna be like 1, 2, 3. But I'll probably do like, actually we don't need this. Let's go freehand it with the mouse. Do we want like, whoop. Do we want to do something like that? I guess that would make the most sense. Do we want to give him some curve? Okay, let me figure this out up here where there's one solid color. No, I need that. That. Too fat. Go for straight edge. It's that time. Thank you for joining. I mean, that works. Okay, that works better. Yeah. It works. Bring them down here. Then we view over. Continuous fill, yep. 1, 2, 3. Have a good sleep. So, one thing I'm wondering is if I put a lighter color, that's too much. What about on the bottom? Nope, that's too much. You stay with this. All right, we're gonna do a reverse thing. I think where it's like brackets. Maybe we should really. This one, we could make it be an arrow, like that. You do it in one place and it's like, huh, how did I do that? Okay, wait. Like that. Or wow, look at that. Wow. I don't know if I want to make it thicker, but that's probably fine. Okay. Like that. Okay. And then maybe for the blank card, instead of having it be just this, we could like Make it like that. I think that looks better. I feel like maybe it would look better like popped out like this, but like I did this and now I want to do it on all the cards. Ugh. God. No, I think this is okay. I don't have that much time to fill it. So kerfuffle. There, card kershuffle. There's also cardfuffle. Like card fuffle. Kershuffle. Kershuffle's pretty good though. Alright, let me export these. Blank. I was originally going to name the discard card like rejection, but like it was too long. And reverse was originally going to be like reversing the order, but you know what? Then I'd have to update my math, and I don't want to do that. Alright, we'll have 5 modifiers for in the game. Let me export this as well while I'm at it. Okay. So let's import those in. Come on, GameMaker. There we go. Modifiers, create. Sprite, or, oops. Add. Middle center. Is Kershuffle even a game name? It's not? There's like... three mentions of it. What? Shrimpy. You're so good at naming. Okay, where's my modifier? Okay, so if we go here, we go blank. First card visible is the seeing one. No discard is discard. Counter is counting, and then reverse. Okay. If we bring the game up and Windows lets it comes up. Man, I feel like every time Windows does something that makes GameMaker not happy, and then I spend forever Googling, and I'm like, how did I solve it last time? And then I've Googled it multiple times before, and you just see like, you visited this link on this date, and it's like, yeah, I know. Did it have my answer? Scroll through. No, it didn't. I should bookmark it at this point. I wonder if I just need to restart my computer. There we go. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is when we get the modifier, all right, add real modifiers. Yep. Okay. Yeah, let's allow copies. We have so few modifiers for this, we can allow copies. Modifier. First element. And modifier dot last element. And it should put it in. It's long. Okay. Let me cut off designing the cards. We have to add the cards to the actual no discards. Well, what you see is what you get is what I named this card. But it looks so bad with the font up here. Oh, maybe I need to adjust the font. It's because it's set. Might be because it's set to an even number. And starting. Oh boy. Okay. Seeing oh yeah, that looks better. Sometimes with the Chevy's fonts, they don't like even numbers. This is what I was up to yesterday. Alt rules. Reverse, okay. Oh, card counting's too long. That's why you check. Counting. Maybe I'll just do counter. Okay. So we're gonna add the functionality now. Default is easy. We don't have to do anything. Seeing Eye is the harder one, so we'll do that after. No discards is pretty easy. I'm gonna hook it in. Select. So there's this update buttons, right? Discard button. Is game. Lowest win, no discard. Okay. Disabled. So the modifier is no discard. And then the discard button should not be a thing. I should actually force that. Where is it? We'll just force it like this. I want to do some more animations and stuff, but wow, it's taken a while. Come on, Windows. Game Maker's not evil, probably. Yeah, so we can't discard at all. Good. You see what you get. Oh, it's still a mess. Anyways, next thing. We're doing card counter. So card counter is most surviving cards win, which means we go over to count points. Clear board, score. Okay. In the player score. So I think we haven't changed the... Yeah, we haven't changed the modifier yet, so we can do... where is it? Discard score. Get score. Here we go. So if modifier is card counter. See, ideally I would have this be hooks, but I don't have time for this, so we're just gonna if else it in. We're gonna return. Okay, wait. Selected cards of I destroyed. Not destroyed. Actually, each card has a score? Wait. Okay, maybe that's easier. I need to put that in the right place. So, if card counter return not destroyed. Otherwise we'll return the rank. Okay. And we're gonna go up to here. Yep, card counter. Probably, yeah, when we get this score and we finish the round, I'm gonna just I see that it counted the player cards, right? I'm sitting here like I should have just set up unit tests on this project, but it's like, but then I would be unit testing a game jam. It would make testing easier though. Like I still have to oh, I should write it down so I don't forget. Right now you can discard so many cards that you can't play. So I need to don't discard more than 5 cards. More than remaining. Yeah. Otherwise it like locks. Most surviving cards wins. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Play. So it should say 4 cards. What's the output? 4. Great. It can count. It's also 4. Can I get one that doesn't have 4? God. 4. Okay, anyways, it's counting 4. So that's good. So don't need that. Don't need that. I want to close everything but up here. Next one is lowest win. And that will be over here. player 1 win is equal to this. And if should be, I know I can just like reverse the winning. Lowest win. Right. But I feel like I should just be more explicit than this. Because really what it is like this. Right, you can't not it because we have the equal sign, so. It's explicit. It's fine. Lowest winning. Yeah. I think I might just be adding a hook to flip the card when it's done, when it draws. I don't know what it's gonna do for the other animations, but we'll see. Oh boy. The opponent's gonna win real easy on this one. I guess technically you don't even need a round 3 if you have two rounds. Maybe I should do that. Okay, we'll do that. We'll do that after. I'll write that down. Okay. Last one is the first card visible. Start round. Generate the opponent cards. What do we do? Center the cards. Bot. Okay. So I think all I have to do is if modifier first card visible zone animate in, I think it's just bot.zone. Card is Actually, that centers the cards. It might be this right here. Not true. If it is just that one line, that's not too difficult. Then we can work on the title screen or the ending screen, one of those two. Oh, actually, and I'll fix the two little things. Though I wish I knew why the discard thing didn't work all the time. Okay, that is it. Got it. So if show. First card visible. Right? Then oh, that's why. Might be a timing. Okay, that one. Okay. If card.x Okay, I don't know how this will work. Or I might move it out of here, over here. I think I can modify the thing. Oh, it just worked. Oh, okay. Well, that's nice. Oh, but yeah, yeah. That was my fear. So when we start execute. Game execute. Before we do that, select transition player 2. Oh yeah. If card dot. I think it's just easier not to flip it if it's not visible. Shown. If shown. Okay. If card dot shown. Continue. Okay, okay. Just all in on this. Oh, look at that. Okay. Cool. They all work. Start round. Where is our... Here it is. Okay, modifier cars work. We're good. We have 5 of them. I don't think I'll have enough time to add more. Okay, so one thing we're gonna do is and match. Oh yeah, so if the round counter is greater than 3, if these can't play around, and dot player dot rounds 1 is greater than or equal to 2. For the opponent. So Alright, let's test that. I'm about to get 2 wins. Should I actually try for a win? I don't know. Okay, so it did end. I won twice in a row, so it ended. Okay. No, that's good. That's good. Okay. That's fixed. Don't discard more than remaining. I'm gonna add that weird discard bug. I haven't been able to... I need to get it to reproduce consistently. Hello, Brid. How are you doing? Brid? Bird? Bird? Sometimes when drawing there is collision when discarding. Okay. Don't discard more than remaining. Okay, so that's that bug we want. So can discard is over here. Play, shuffle, can play round, deal, discard. Okay. Can discard. Array length of selected card is greater than 0. So we're gonna want to adjust that. Doing good. That's good. How's the coding going? Good. Let me show you. Still have to make a title screen. Oh, right. GameMaker's gonna take a bit. Windows updated. So Windows doesn't like GameMaker anymore. I'm trying to make it feature complete. Because this week is very, very busy for me, and I don't know how many more days I'll have to dedicate to this. And I still have to finish writing the game design document for PirateJam, so. Alright, so here it is. And you select cards, you click play. Oh, God. That's pretty much it. So we still have to work on an end screen, and we have to work on a title screen, and there's like 2 bugs I'm aware of. But it's doing pretty good. Give me a second, I'll be back. Need water. Hello, Mikey. Thank you. It's been very, very dry here, especially today. I woke up and my whole throat was dry. And then even though I was drinking water throughout the day, I was like constantly coughing. It's a little bit better now, but very dry. Yeah. So, actually, I'll explain in a second. Okay, we got default rules, so I guess find the default rules. So basically it's like rapid fire rock, paper, scissors with weapons, like weapon suits. So here's your little guide. It's based off range, right? So magic is longer range than a bow, is longer range than a spear, is longer range than a sword, is longer range than an axe, then a dagger, then a fist. However, you can beat the crap out of a mage faster than they can cast a spell. So that's how this, that's the logic behind this. And what you do is, you pick 5 cards to play. And they battle each other, right? And the ranks decide who wins, or not the ranks, the suit decides who wins. And the rank decides your points. So you see here. The 8 points, that was what, 1, 2, 3? Yeah, 6 points. So even though they had more cards remaining up here, we got the win for that one because we had more points. So that's kind of how the game works. So we're kind of at the point where, oh yeah, and then there's a modifier for every round. For the purposes of the game jam, I'm only going to do 5 of them, and one of them's the default one, just because time. I had a lot of ideas for a lot of them, but I don't think I'll be able to get them done in time. So yep. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, so we have to do an end screen, we have to do a title screen. There's two bugs. Oh, and I wanted to, so I don't forget. Import. Where do we generate? Start. Generate deck for the player. Okay. Sorry, new card. Rank suit. No, that's fine. It's when we create the card. Where is it? The owner, yeah. Create front sprite. Okay, so what we do is card.sprite index. This is sprite card back player. Do we have to do anything else? Hi Cairo, how are you doing? It's going good. We're adding the pointless feature. So that the back of the enemy's cards are red and yours are blue, so they match on the UI. What did I do here? Back. Let me see. Flip. Back card, yeah. And then we do card dot back card is equal to card dot sprite index. Okay. Create the front sprite. Yep. So it should, when they come in now at the start, they should be blue. Should. should is always the key word here. Then there is don't discard more than a remaining. Yeah, then we'll try to fix the 2 bugs before we do the end screen and the title screen. I think I might transition to another screen when you finish. Oh yeah, see, it was blue. There we go. Perfect. Okay. That's fine. Next. Don't discard more than remaining. Yes, okay. My game looks cute. Thank you. I spent all day yesterday doing those animations because I programmed it all with data first, and then I was like, all right, time to animate it. And then I was like, wait, I need to add hooks and shit all over the place. So I was like, now the code's a mess. It was nice before, now it's a mess. What do we want to do? Discard, yep. Can we discard? I don't know. Can we? Okay. So, can we discard? I did this logic in the bot here. Yeah. Oh, thank you for the follow. Thank you. Thank you also for the follow. All right, so we're gonna put this I would say this is remaining, right? So these are the number of cards we have selected. These are the number that we have in our deck, right? And then hand size minus selected. Okay, so if selected is greater than 0, then obviously, yes, we can discard. However, if the hand plus the remaining count is less than play size, then we can't. So greater than or equal to. Let me think. So the hand has 3 cards, and we have 2 cards remaining in the deck. That's 5. Our play size is 5. So it needs to be greater than or equal. So that should fix that bug. And then I have an idea what the last bug is, but I'm gonna have to like time it. I think the issue is like, so it checks when it's doing the draw after the discard. It checks if there's a collision. But if a discard is happening while the draw is happening, like it ends up in a bad place, which I think is the problem. Yeah. So anyways, we'll just discard. Yeah, see, like this. See, I can't discard anymore. I can play. So I can discard 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, what? Why is it gonna let me discard that? One, 2, 3. What happens if I discard it? Yeah, then I only have 2 cards. Why would you say that's okay? I should put a breakpoint. Keep trying. Come on, Windows. Let me debug. I shouldn't have. I wish the power outage hadn't happened, then my computer wouldn't have restarted. I like how there's like a help page for this. Okay, so let's discard. We only have 2 cards. Oh, it's gonna call that every frame. Great, okay. So why does it say that's okay? What's the name of my game? So I don't know yet. However, Shrimpy suggested Kershuffle. because there's like kerfuffle, like a fight, like kerfuffle. So it might be that because I'm bad at naming. Oh. How many do we have in her hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, I found it. Okay. Found it. You love it? Yeah? We'll make a logo for it after this. After these 2 bugs are done, we can make it. Come on. Don't discard more than remaining. That'll work. Sometimes when drawing there's collision when drawing. I should get that just up. So I know where the problem is. It's with the zone. Oh no, discards. Oh. Okay. No discards again. Why would you do this to me? I need to test this card. Blank, default rules, great, perfect, okay. Three, 4, 5. Discard. What we got? Okay, so we have 6, which means we can discard 1. Not that we need to, but perfect. All right, that's fixed. Next is our zone. So that offset problem is based off this collision. Does this give you... Oh, it does give you it. We might have an easy fix here. Collision is equal to this. And a collision. There should be a marker when we discard. When we discard. Oh, yeah. If there isn't, I can add one. Discard. Animate, card discard. I could just on the card. here. And then we just add a check. That should do it, because I'm pretty sure what's happening is the overlapping animations. It does the collision check while something's like moving across, where it's checking, and it's just... It's putting it at the end instead of the right position. Well, that's easy enough to check, because at the end here, if we do 1, 2, 3... Oh, oh, that's worse. Oh. That's fine. Oh. Yeah, it's on the third card that's the issue. Why? Yeah, well, we know what happens on the third card. Keep trying. I wonder, there's probably a setting. The next 3 sequential ports. Where's this set to? General preferences? It's on the third one, so that's 11. It doesn't like 11 either. Oh, which one did it connect to? It doesn't tell me. Okay, well that's not very helpful. Okay, well. Alright, let's see. Zone add card. We're gonna add a debug marker. So if we do 3, oh, we can't discard. Yeah, if we click 3 cards. I wonder if oh. I got it. Don't even have to do any of this. It is a timing issue. It's here. Posture check. I literally just I started shrimping. Okay, so when we discard, I think that's in over here. Try discard. So we say, well, when the animation's done, then we can deal. Okay. Also stretch my back. Oh, ouch. Wait. I had physio today, so he actually like fixed my back for me, and it's like, oh wait, that was a mistake. Yeah, so we're saying when the animation's complete, then do this, but really what's happening is that this is triggering. Where's my animation? It's not really triggering at the end. Animation, sequential. Where's the sequential animator? Oh, I put under UI. Yeah. So it's like, oh, destroy yourself, right? But, really the issue is that, just get rid of this. Here, if cards animated 0, destroy. Then we call the complete, but really we should do and there's a helper I made. Where is it? Or I had a state. And there's ads. It's the easiest thing. Card's not as animating. Maybe a state might be. But state would mess with a lot of stuff. Let me see. Create dynamic. Okay, so we need to. This is pretty straightforward. Just put it on here. That might do it. Goodness. I have to read this manual again. Okay. So that's fine. Yeah, it is a bit slower, but we're no longer having the issue. Okay, so it doesn't feel bad. Like, I don't feel like, I mean, there is a slight delay, but like, it's not terrible, right? And like now we're not getting this because it's properly sequenced. So the problem is that the animator, it would signal animations are done, but that meant more like it was done processing starting the animations, not that it was done all the animations. So I already had this little thing for checking if the cards were animated, and it's working fine. So that's the last bug fixed for now. There's probably gonna be more of them. All right. So tutorial is out of scope now because I don't have enough time. Last hello to you too. Yeah. That's the last bug that I know of for now. Yeah, so actually I should make a new, I have a notepad document. I'm gonna move permanently out of scope into the tutorial. Y'all will just have to read. And then rearranging the card order. It gets finicky with, give me a sec. You've given up on Buckles anything. Yeah, I know. My full-time job is programming, so I know. Yeah. I mean, there's not that many bugs, I think. That I know of. The shadows? Okay. So from here, obviously the title screen, obviously the ending screen. Tutorial is going to be out of scope, and rearranging the card order. It's just because you have to like click and like move it around, and that's not hard to do, but it does mean visually I'd have to do stuff, and that's effort, and I feel like it's okay as it is for this, so it's out of scope. I want to, so when you score, what I want to do is, you see how it, wait, give it a sec. When it pops up and it does like a pulse right there, I want to have it count the values and display it in the center here, so you know which is which. And then before it clears, because right now you only know who wins at a quick glance based off of over here, and when number go big, people feel good. So yeah, that's a stretch goal. You can see on the side panels here, it doesn't have a drop shadow, and neither do the buttons. I think I'm gonna make that out of scope. Bigger number, better person. Yeah, except in this case, lowest points win. Thank you for the follow. Game looks good, thank you. So there is supposed to be a shadow on the buttons and stuff. I'm just gonna say that's out of scope. That's a finicky thing that no one really will care about other than me. It's getting late, good night. So we have the title screen, the ending screen, the game design document, music, and sound effects. Then I want to do so that when a new round, see, I don't know if I should do this or not, like it may be out of scope, but what I wanted was that when you start the game, like a match, right, it would show the 3 modifiers for the match, like be a little fancy, and then get into this, and then every time a round finishes, right, so when the board clears, it shows you what the next one will be, like more in the center of the screen versus like just updating over here. So those are like stretch animation stuff. I don't think it's like, you kind of know what it is, but like it's not super needed. Yeah. Okay, we're getting there. The list is a lot shorter than it was this morning, I'll tell you that much. Oh, it doesn't. That's acceptable. That's because we didn't have enough cards. Yeah. Okay, so here is our screen. How big is this? You know what? I'll just... There we go. Oh, okay, well... What do we want to do here? Kerfuffle, Kershuffle. Give me a second. Okay. I think Kershuffle is a good name. Let's think. I'm gonna have to really make this big. Can I get a resize? That's still pretty big. Okay. That's more doable. So if it's like Kershuffle. Right. You probably want a card. I wonder... Okay, so this is how I do my Fs, but... kind of similar. Could be an idea. I don't know if a sword would work better. There's also like playing cards. People like to like put the card, like the ace, into things. Like Balatro has that, but also like other things have it. But like, maybe I should make this bigger. $248. 120, 38. It's like you can also have like a card. And then put the text partway through. Would it work to have I normally do? Like that. That might be too busy. That's also too busy. I do think having the weapon would work well. We could do like the arrow from the reverse, right? Google ain't giving me good shit. What is Triple Triad's logo? It's literally a card in the background. It's this. Okay. What if we did? The thing is that shuffle is so long of a... If we did something like this, someone would be like, "Kerful?" Like curful? Kershuffle? Yeah. Well, that's because I haven't. I feel, yeah. I mean, these look more like Fs. Which is bad. I don't know. I'd probably need something here, right? I'm seeing some examples of like but I don't think that's great. So someone has a logo. It's like this. Okay, they have shuffle. And it goes up like this. And then down. Oops. Like that. So they have a card with shuffle in it. That's pretty smart. We can't use that as stealing, but Boy. Let's see. So I could do I can make it nicer later. Like or I just go with the F idea. It is the most straightforward one. Oops. The only problem is that, like, the shuffle part is so long. Like, shuffle? Like, for shuffle, this isn't that bad. There's also like the idea of like having like a versus type thing going on, like the crossed swords. As an X. That doesn't look like doesn't look right at all. Yeah, it looks like shuffle, doesn't it? Unless... Alright, hear me out. Okay. Bow. Okay. Bow. Okay. And then we have these. Okay. Make it a spear. I don't know. That makes it harder to read. Yeah, if this was... Let me think on this. Let me think on that. Because, like, having the bow here... might be good. The only thing is that it kind of... the C kind of gets lost. Right, so like we could make that a spear. Make that a bow. Huh. See, like... Like in some logos with two F's, they do like a reverse like that. I don't think that would work here. Because the cross always looks like an X, right? Do it. What if we get rid of like the CUR? What if we go for shuffle like this? What can we do with that? So you don't get the bow thing. You can still make, this hasn't changed. I wonder if we do like, we could keep the card idea. I also like stealing that card outline thing. But the reason it works so well for this is because you had balance, but don't really get it. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ugh. 3. Why is this the hardest part of my night? Oh, let's see. I feel like... Oh. What did I do for Polygon Pals? Give me a second. I'm pretty sure I just wrote out Polygon Pals. Is it because writing it lowercase in a straight line? It's just like, I can't seem to get a good design. Where is it? Yeah, this is what I did for Polygon Pals. So like I could do something similar. Where an out and it's outlined. No, because like I do like so this one is Polygon Pals. There's some of my other ones. Oh, I didn't do that one. This is one I did. That's kind of like my first game jam. Well, actually, this was my first. No, this one wasn't my first game jam. But, where's it? Exports, images. No, I just want the first one. Right, like this was supposed to be silly. My most recent game jam. What did I do for this one? I didn't even make a logo for this one. I'll put text on the screen. Where did I put it? Was it not in this folder? It wasn't. What folder was it in? Huh. This one? Don't know where that went. It's like I could do like the squares around it. So that's another thing we could do. We could do come on. Like with the, like this. But I don't know, I want the weapons in somehow. Right, because if we had a card. Two cards? Yeah, like one blue, one red. And then, I could probably make like this L, a spear or something. Oops. And maybe this like a sword. Maybe that'll work. This one seems the best idea so far. Okay. Maybe we should go for something round. fix it after. Alright, so it's fine. 1, 2, 1. Move that out by 1. Maybe that is too wide. Oh, but if we separate it like this. And then we just erase this curve. What is this? This is 2. Well, that's why it looks weird. But that's 2. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, that looks better. And then for the R, we're gonna make it the same height. Has to be 2. How wide is this? 10? 10 by 10? Similar here. Just move it down. Let's see. Let's have him line up. Is that an S? I don't know. Should probably make it round. Okay, now it's the same. Yeah, that works. For this guy, pretty straightforward. Vertical? Yeah. Alright, so the F's. Okay. Six. How wide is this? 10. Okay. That's 10. And then the L will be straightforward because we're going to put a little thing on it. And then we'll just grab our E from before. Okay. So for the there's a font. Okay. Move. Give him some space. We want to put a spear on him. That. Yep. Okay. Maybe we just keep it there. Let's move this guy. So we want him to be this tall. And then expand by 3. 3 might be too much. Two might be okay. Okay, and then we'll put this color there, which means we can take this everything's still aligned. Yep. Okay. I should save. I won't save. And then we wanted the cards in the background. Let's get rid of that for the moment. What did I do? Okay. So I think we'll do like I would do it. Right. Okay. What is it? Okay, I won't do that. I will split this in half. Okay. What is the delete? Yeah. I'm gonna go shove that on here. Let's see. The best way to do that is by making this with the butt like that. And then thank you. Okay. I don't want to be too big. Like that. We just fill in the shape. Yep. And then we can now it looks funny from this angle because it doesn't bend in enough. Horizontally. Nope, it goes right there. Okay. I don't know. It makes it a little fancier. I'll have to fix this. Alright. The only question is, do I include... I should probably include the gold. Wondering... It's looking good, thank you. We spit out garbage and then eventually it's not garbage. Oops. I could do... the gold edges on here. Or... you're gonna head out. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Have a good night. The white is definitely better. The only thing I can think of is if we take this whole thing. Okay. And take all of that and we make it gold. How does that look? Alternatively, I shaved this properly. Let me drop that. Let's just get that across. See, because we could do this. And then the text could be... darker. I feel like the flat one's better. I think it's because of the outline. If we didn't have the outline, like this might look better. Maybe I'll put it in Discord. I have a feeling people are gonna like the flat one better. So that it doesn't... Or, actually wait. If the flat one is... See, something we can do is take... like so. Maybe make it slightly bigger. Because it could just be that we just need to make it pop a little bit more, like that. Put a lighter color here. Maybe I need a slightly lighter color than this. Let me see. Can I get a, okay, well. Yeah. Because we could, Hi, snowman. The pop effect looks cool, thank you. I think that might be enough. Second, where's all my versions? Hi PV, how you doing? Good morning. See, cause like compare that to like this, like it just gives it a little bit more, I think. That's better than the gold. Good morning. Now the question is, do I push this a little bit more with like the VTuber sparkles? You know those? No, you're not up all night. You just woke up. Mm-hmm. For real? Let me get rid of these. Charlie woke up. Okay. I gotta go let the dog out. Tell me thoughts and opinions on this while I go do that. All right. He's quick today. The pop-up is nice. Stars look nice, but I'm still on the fence about them. The bottom version to this? What's the bottom version? This or this? I'm thinking of sticking with that color combo because it looks best, but oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can't decide. I feel like this works better in terms of, oops. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hi Dark, how you doing? I said it was dry. You've been surviving? I've been good, kind of. Might be a sleep on it type of decision, true. I really am like really liking this just because it has like the black and white and red and blue. I'm gonna post it in Discord. Immediately plummeted. Are you done exams or are you on a new semester? All right. Wait. Merge down. Okay. So we're gonna put this here. Oop. We're gonna put this one here. And then I'm gonna grab this last one. Canvas size, height. Both look good, yeah. I'm kind of like, we'll see. I'll post in Discord. Second. All right. Your second semester starts on the 15th of February. You're already done with. Oh, okay. You went through. Oh, I see. Well, I'm glad you're feeling better. I hope you passed all your exams. All right, let me see. Move that down a bit. I'm just giving them a little bit more space. GPA of 3.2. Is that good? My school was on a 10-point scale. My school is on a 10-point scale, so I don't know if that's good. Is that good? I'm gonna wait. 3 point. Is it out of 4? I'm assuming it's out of 4. Times divided by 4. Oh, it's an 80. That's an A. Congratulations. Is it not an A? Is an A for my scale? Technically, it's an A minus. Technically, it's an A minus. It's right on the A, but score is the highest? Hello, Siles. How are you doing? Please don't make Balotto true. I just recovered. Oh, I have some great news for you. You want to see it? That's it. Yeah. I can only attend school because of scholarship student. So I was like sweating because my physics teacher, I think I told this story before. My physics teacher showed up to the last exam, handed out a Scantron, and he's like, it's multiple choice. And then he just left. And then it turns out that some of the answers weren't even real answers. Because like the smartest guy in our class got like 5 of them wrong, and he contested all of them, and the professor would not change the score. But the whole class failed, so we had to bell curve all of us. But the thing is that I did the exam, and I was like, that was a terrible exam, but it can't be that bad. And I got home and I got a D, and I was like, I'm gonna die. Then I started like calculating, like if I get a B, or if I don't get an A+ on this one exam, then that means I'll lose my scholarship, which means I can't attend next semester. That was my life, first year. Yeah, so here's the game. Discard. Yeah, so we still have the starting screen, we still have the ending screen to do. So you have to take Arabic no matter what, okay. Until college. But aren't you in college? Or is it like, we had a English technical report writing class. I never agreed to this. Anyway, that's just the game. Still got 50%. Is it like a second language? Is it like when you take French and you're like, where's my Becherel? I mean, like for you, is it a second language? Are they scoring you as a second language or as a first language? Because like, okay, so I took Japanese through university, right? And it's your native language. So we had to do a language test to prove that we didn't know the language, because they didn't want people taking it just for like easy A's, right? Like they wanted to be like, okay, well, you got intermediate on this, so we're gonna put you in the second year classes, right? Like they didn't want to put you in the first year, take up a seat, whatever. But the thing is that if you knew the language, you could easily fail it, which a lot of people did, but like, well, not for Japanese, but like for French and English, yeah. The class is hard. Not that bad. The worst part of it was that my professor, she wanted the class to respond with like when she asked the question, but no one wanted to respond. So she got a hacky sack and she would chuck it at people. And if you caught it, you had to answer the question. So people would like dodge out of the way. And if you picked it up, she'd be like, it's you. You want that, professor? My senseis were good. Just that the courses, because it wasn't their day job, it was always in the evening, so I had classes until like 10 at night, which was rough. Anyways, here's the game. Trial by combat hacky sack, yeah. Well, the problem with like the first semester stuff is like, okay, I was just saving everything. Is that you kind of get two groups of people. You got the weebs, right? And then you've got people who are studying it because they have an interest, and then they've got people studying it because job, like their degree or whatever, right? Now, to some degree, there's overlap for all of them, but the weebs are by far the worst. And I mean this because like my professor in later years confessed to us that some students in first year asked her like what certain onomatopoeia meant, and they were all like porn sound effects. And she was just like, or like someone came in the class and they would write down their name as being like Sakura or something, or Mr. or whatever. And then she's like, oh, I'm surprised that you have like a Japanese name. And they're like, yeah, I'm going to change my name to it. Or like, I'm going to marry Sephiroth. Or like, you know, something like that. There was a girl who was a 4th year student. So like 22-ish at least. And she behaved like a cat in class. Hi, Cool Jazz. I had a second midterm. No, so most of them didn't make it onto the second course. A few of them did, and I shut them down. Because what happened was that there was this guy who came over, who made it to the second course. And he said to me, do you watch anime? And I was like, yeah. And he's like, oh, there's this really cool anime called High School DxD. And I'm looking at him and I know exactly what this thing is, right? And he's like, and he's like completely ignoring the like hentai part of it. And he's talking to me about it and how maybe we could hang out and watch it. And I just stared at him and I was like, I don't know you. Or I said like, oh, I'm not really interested in that. Sorry. He watched it for the plot. Yeah. And I was just like, Yeah. So by the 3rd course, all of those people were weeded out. Everyone who was like remaining like a weeb, like me, we were all like normal. like, you know, like, yeah, we watch anime, we read manga. Like it's in the way when you're like, oh, do you like Star Wars? And someone's like, yeah, I watched the movies. Or I watched a TV show or whatever. Or, look, I have a little plushie, right? And then there's, yeah, my whole room is Star Wars themed. How people have the balls to flirt like that? They're desperate. I mean, like, someone tried to kidnap me once. I was on campus at 6 in the morning, right? And some guy walks up to me. So I got off the bus and he's like, oh my God, can you come to my apartment right now? Like, there's an emergency. And I just stared at him and I was like, why don't you call the cops? No, I need you. And I was like, I don't know you, buddy. Why don't you call the cops? And he just like left. And after when I told my friend, they were like, I'm pretty sure he was trying to abduct you. And I was like, huh. And then another friend said, I'm not sure why he thought he could get away with that. You carry around like 10 textbooks in your backpack. Like it's so obvious. I was like, oh. The creator of pack. Maybe you shouldn't flirt like that. 0 out of 10. That's elaborate as a freaking event. I know, right? Like usually, like it's not uncommon for someone to approach you and be like, hey, do you have any bus tickets? I mean, it's not really a thing anymore now that Presto exists, but like it was a common thing where someone would approach you and be like, hey, do you have any extra bus tickets? And like always I was like, no, because I'm poor. But it's very terrifying. Is it? I don't know. I could take him. Bro couldn't even come up with a good lie. There's an emergency at my dorm room. I need you. I don't even know you. Like it's 6 in the morning. I'm like zero caffeine, zero anything. Just got off the bus. And some guy's like my brain's not even working. And I'm like, just call the cops. There's campus security. Why are you talking to me? Yeah, I was like, why are you, you know. So anyways, Chris Shuffle, you can vote in Discord. But I'm leaning towards the first one. So let me see, what's my to-do list? So I have to finish the title screen. Let me get the game up. I have so many. I don't remember university, but I have so many stories somehow. Why do I think your way of flirting is bad? I can't say it nicely. I can't say it nicely. Holly, stop. She's like growling at me. She's telling me to go the fuck to bed. I will momentarily. Yeah, so this is currently the title screen. I'm gonna probably do this. So I don't think I'm streaming tomorrow. Because I have to make the Japanese cheesecake for my dad. Hi, Holly. What are you doing? Leave the Homestuck themed flirting. Yeah, Homestuck is before my time. Well, parallel to my time, but not in the same parallel. So we have to do this. I want to animate the modifier being drawn, but that's a stretch goal. What we have to do is the title screen for sure. I want to add, when it counts the cards at the end here, I want to add some text to appear and then like some numbers here so you can see it, and then we have the end screen. And then I have to write the game design document, and by write I mean take what I have and make it not ass, and then music. Can you stop? I know you want to talk to chat, but like, hi. Okay. Not mention anything related to baby being you. What? My only thought is this is cringe. Anyway, so this is where we're at for the game. So probably not streaming tomorrow. I'll see on the cake thing because I don't know. Very discreet lore. I want to get it. Okay. And Cake thing? Yeah, I have to make my dad a cheesecake. His birthday on Wednesday. I'm gonna see how much I can get done tomorrow. Yes, Holly. Yes, 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 yes. That whole series of messages felt very chuny, yeah. Add! No, snooze. We're gonna raid someone. Holly's pestering me too much. Oh, thank you for the follow. Happy birthday. I'll tell my dad you said happy birthday. My birthday's not until June. Alright. Who am I following that's live? Meisaka is live. Okay. And she's only been streaming for 5 hours, so she'll probably go for another 3. So let's give her a raid. Thank you for joining, everyone. Have a good night. See you maybe tomorrow, if not Saturday for Elden Ring. Alright. Good night, goodbye.